Hi everyone, this is Lee and welcome to the 30-day challenge. I'm so excited to have you and we're going to cover so much information over the 30 days. So the idea is by the end of 30 days, as you implement every day, you're going to walk away with some great strategies, a proven system to start attracting the right clients into your business as well. You know, those clients that it's a joy to work with, and also those clients as well who can actually pay for your services as well. So I'm going to jump on the slides now, take you through a bit of a slideshow and explain you a bit about how this is going to work over the 90 days. So catch up with. So over the next 30 days, I want you to keep an eye out for your inbox. You're going to get some great information coming through the inbox. So make sure that you safe list my email address, and I'll send you a video to show you how to safe list as well, just so you don't miss out on anything on the next 30 days as well. So each day you're going to receive a very short 5-minute video. So it's very quick to watch, but it's going to give you a simple one tip that you can apply every day for 30 days. So at the end of the 30 days, you'll have some great strategies and you'll have everything set up for your business so you can do your client attraction as well. Also, I'm going to give you a member area that you can access all these videos from as well. So make sure that you log into that area and access as well. You'll have specific login details that I'll send to you. So you need to access the videos from that area. As well as that, you're going to have a very small, simple action guide, which is going to allow you to take, 1 or 2 minutes to actually explore the short point that I'm covering that specific day for you so that you can apply the information into your business during those 30 days and not just watch the videos and don't do anything with it as well. So a little bit about my mission. So I like to share what I'm about as well. So I understand a beginner's mindset. I understand what it feels like to have so much information freely available on the internet that often you as an entrepreneur may start to feel confused, overwhelmed and scattered, not really sure of what to do next. But I coach women entrepreneurs who put off launching their online programs and courses due to that overwhelm, frustration and uncertainty. And I'm able to do that by combining training, hand-holding and walkthrough videos and high-touch coaching support, which leads you to gain more confidence to fully launch your courses and programs so you become the confident action taker who achieves your desired launch lifestyle. So I have a small exercise for you to do as well. So please download this worksheet as well. It's a single page. Download this worksheet and do a bit of brainstorming on that. I want you to list out in the brainstorm area everything you already know about list building. So it's not right or wrong. We just want to have a bit of a gauge at the beginning of the 30 days towards the end of the 30 days at how much more you'll learn, but also maybe look at some things that you may not be fully aware of as well that you could be doing that could be sabotaging you as well, and also around this building as well. And I also want to give yourself a rating. So give yourself a rating between 1 to 10. 10 means you know nothing about launching at all and you're not implementing anything. And 10 is you got it all handled, you are implementing and you're getting the results that you want to as well. So make sure you do this little exercise because it's great at the end of the challenge that you can reflect back and see how much progress you've made during those 30 days as well. So take a moment to download that worksheet. The link is below me and go through that small exercise for me. It'll take you a couple of minutes, that's all. So I do have a few actions for you to take as well. One, obviously, what I talked about last slide was download your activity sheets and go through those exercises. And then I want you to jump into Facebook community. I'm going to put the link again below this video. Jump into that community, answer the questions. Make sure you use the same email address that you've actually registered with the course for as well. and post your worksheet into that group, and also maybe some thoughts and insights that you gained every single day. So I like to do this for every single day, and I will go through that group, and I will give you individual feedback around that too, and encourage you to keep going as well. As you can see, today is the welcome video, and you've gone, there's a small exercise for you to do as well. Make sure you do these exercises, because so many people learn information, but they don't implement. So the big key here is about implementing. So make sure you grab that spreadsheet, you download it, you take a couple of minutes. It won't take you long to actually go through that and paste it on the Facebook group as well. So tomorrow's exciting. So tomorrow, another small tip, another short video for you to do. And we're going to look about what type of person you need to become so that your right clients are attracted to you as well. I look forward to speaking to you tomorrow. Take care. Bye.